Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to Crypto News. Today, we're diving into the question on everyone's mind. Will Dogecoin hit a new all-time high this February? Stick around to find out. As of January 30th, 2025, Dogecoin is trading at approximately $0.3318, showing a slight uptick of about 1% today. The broader crypto market is also experiencing a rebound, with the global market cap rising to $3.55 trillion, a 1.69% increase in the past day. Trading volume has surged by 15%, reaching $130 billion. Bitcoin's stability above $105,000 is fueling optimism across altcoins, including Dogecoin. Dogecoin is currently consolidating just below the 0.35 resistance level. Analysts suggest that if bullish momentum continues, we could see Doge challenging its previous all-time high of $0.7376. Factors like increased investor sentiment, potential ETF developments, and historical market cycles may play significant roles in driving Dogecoin's price action in the coming weeks. What do you think? Is Dogecoin gearing up for a massive breakout? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.